I heard that you always wig are looking like this or like this in this same to me, and every time you have to wear it, you have to go under installation. You have to install every time to wear it, and due to every time installation, you're already losing your front hairline. Your front hairline is already shifting backward. Yes, due to every time installation, when your wig are supposed to be looking like this, glueless, no stress, just wear and go. In this video, I will show you how I turned this factory wig into glueless. Yes, glueless, you heard me right. It's a factory wig, and you can do that to any of your wigs. Yes, any of your wig, be it factory or not.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing my video, kindly click on the subscribe button, like my video and share. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for subscribing to my channel.
This is the wig I'll be working on today, and the first thing I'll be doing is taking off all these clips. Yes, those clips that comes with your factory wig, that's useless as what, I don't know. You have to take them off because they make you feel uncomfortable every time you wear them. They don't have any purpose there, though they may have purpose from the factory, but to me they don't have any purpose there. We take off the clips, we take off the band. Yes, as I am doing in this video, take off all the clips and you take off the band. It will look as plain as this. Then next is take your tape rule and take your measurement. We'll be measuring 11 inches out of 13 inches. Yes, so we're cutting off 2 inches, 1 inches from both sides. Yes, you can't get the measurement this way. You can put it on your mannequin head to get an accurate measurement. Then we'll be cutting out that 1 inch from both sides. We'll be cutting them out. Yes, just the way I am doing in this video. Make sure you part a line so that you won't cut hair that you're not supposed to cut. Let me just put it that way. So be careful when cutting. Just take a look at this video very well. You do that to the other side, just the way I am doing in this video. Please be careful while doing this. You don't want to cut hair that will make damage to the whole hair. After that, we are going to be attaching the band we remove. We are going to be attaching it back, like sewing it, tacking it back to where we cut. Yes, and I'll be using my sewing machine to do this, just the way I am doing inside this video. We are going to sew both sides. Yeah, we are done sewing, and this is so firm and strong. Next is to cut this lace under. They have no use, they will just be obstructing your hair under, so you have to cut them off just the way I did. Just cut them off, they have no use. Then we have to go to the hairline plucking. Yes, we have to pluck the hairline. Just look carefully in this video the way I am plucking this hairline. Put a white background under for you to be able to see what you are plucking. Yes, put a background, a plain background under the hair, like a plain material, any kind of material, just plain, but I prefer white so I can see what I am doing, just the way I am doing in this video. You have to pluck it. Don't over pluck. Be careful while plucking so you won't rip the lace, so you won't over pluck. Yes, just the way I am doing in this video. So here is the center line, so I have to leave the center line part for plucking. I have to leave that side and jump back to the other side. This center line has to be you have to be very careful with the center line, because if you over pluck the center line, when you are making your center pattern, it's going to look very, very bad. This is the final look after plucking. You can see the difference. Yes, you can see the difference. It is giving a line. Yes. So now I styled it. My phone went off while doing the styling, so I'm sorry I can't put the styling process there, but I promise to make up in another video. So I styled it, not very much. Just take your hot comb, cut into your preferred style. I'm doing a side pattern here, so just take your hot comb, put your elastic and press it down. That is all I did here. So after styling, we are going into cutting the lace. Yes, I am cutting off the lace here, and you are cutting off zigzag motion, not straight. You cut it off zigzag motion. Yes, and I am cutting off part of the front line, because most of the time the factory wig, the front, like the middle parts of the lace is always too forward. Yes, so you have to cut a slight part out of it. Yes, which is what I am doing in this video. You cut zigzag motion, zigzag motion. Look at this, guys. It is giving Glueless. It is giving installation. Yes, you know how much you spend on installation every time. Okay, even if you do it yourself, you know how many hours you spend doing installation, where you can just take your wig and wear it just good to go without installation.
Thank you for watching my video. If you find this helpful, kindly drop a comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share.